Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been gaining a lot of attention in the field of natural language processing. That's right, we're talking about prompt engineering. But before we jump into the details, let's quickly understand what prompts are in the context of language models. In simple terms, a prompt is a specific instruction or input given to a language model to generate a desired response. It can be a few words, a sentence, or even a complete paragraph that sets the context for the model to follow. Now, let's talk about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering refers to the art and science of designing effective prompts to achieve desired outputs from language models. Prompt engineering plays a crucial role in fine-tuning language models to generate accurate and contextually relevant responses. It involves crafting prompts in a way that guides the model towards the desired outcome while avoiding biases, pitfalls, or potentially harmful outputs. So, how can we go about engineering effective prompts? Let's explore some key strategies. When designing prompts, it's essential to be clear about the desired intent and provide enough context for the model to understand the task at hand. This clarity helps the model generate accurate responses that align with the intended outcome. Sometimes, you may want the model to produce responses in a specific format, like completing a sentence or answering a question directly. By explicitly specifying the desired output format in the prompt, you can guide the model to generate responses accordingly. Prompt engineering also plays a crucial role in addressing bias and sensitivity issues that language models can sometimes exhibit. By carefully crafting prompts and providing diverse training data, we can mitigate biases and promote fairness in the generated responses. Prompt engineering is an ongoing process that requires experimentation, iteration, and continuous improvement. As language models become more powerful, it becomes increasingly important to invest in responsible and thoughtful prompt engineering practices. And that's a wrap, folks. We've covered the basics of prompt engineering and how it influences the output of language models. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. If you want a detailed video how to do prompt engineering effectively, comment down below. I will make a complete video on that too. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy prompt engineering.